The divorce took place only because the Sharon Algodi was very very stubborn, and she could not. She was incomprehensible, and she did not want, because on the one hand she could not go back to Manab or that fellow in Mangalore, whomever she was in love with. Okay, neither of them accepted her. Nor she had the face to come back, because after doing so much tamasha and so much nakras, she didn't have the face to come back. Okay, and then in the meantime she had already searched one bakra, that is this fox bakra, on this one, some internet matrimonial site, jivansati.com or somewhere she had found. And she had introduced already, I think, to Crystal that he was the father. And in the meantime, she didn't. If she as she really didn't want to stay with me or live with me, why did she ask money? She asked money, in lakhs together. She asked. I told I will not give a single paisa to her, because if she had so wanted, to live only with her parents, why she had married me? She could have told. So much time was there before marriage. She simply made use of me. She wanted to get the baby aborted at this when she was carrying 7th month, the baby. All that she did, all nakra she did. And when she came to know that she got pregnant, she was 2 months pregnant, then also she didn't want to continue with the pregnancy. She was hitting her stomach like anything. All that all that she did, all that did she did. If she had to do all this, why did she marry me? And why she didn't want to marry me? She didn't want to be associated with me. Why did she roam to all those places along with me? What did she eat? Did I feed her rice or did I feed her my shit? Okay, she was eating my shit all the time she was with me. She was eating my shit only. Okay, she ate my shit, and then she's asking money for giving me divorce. She wanted to marry this lorry driver, Joseph Fox. Joseph Franklin Fox, I think that is the full name. This fellow she wanted to marry. For that, he is asking me money. I told I won't give money. If I want to give money also, I'll give it to my daughter, I told. And finally I gave it to Crystal. It was clearly mentioned that in the divorce decree that I am giving money to my daughter, so that she will be taken care of in the future. And I hope that the money whichever I gave, whatever I gave, 1 lakh rupees I gave then, that is almost 16 years back I gave. If she would have invested such money in some project or some site somewhere, it would have gotten doubled or tripled, or 10 times it would have grown by now. I don't know whether she gave a single rupee to my daughter or she ate off पूरा मज़ा करके उड़ा दिया होगा, पता नहीं क्या क्या. लेकिन मैंने तो मेरा फ़र्ज़ निभाया. I gave the money to my daughter, okay, so that her future will be secure. That she, if at all someday in the future she would want money, if some deposit is kept in somewhere in the post office or some bank for a long period of time, that it might help her education or something like that, I had given it. With that intention I had given. I hope my daughter got that money. So Crystal, if you are listening, it's not that I simply didn't turn up. I tried so much to meet you. Through every time it was such a nuisance that I had to go to court to take a order to meet you. And Hubli is not near. Mangalore, if I sit morning in the night bus will reach around 7 o'clock. For Hubli, Dharwad, if I have to go, I have to sit in a train at evening 4:30 or 5 o'clock in Mysore. and it will take me to Hubli the next day morning 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So how many hours journey it is? More than 15 hours of journey. And from Hubli again 1 hour journey. 16 hours journey. And for meeting you, I have to do all this circus. It's not that I didn't do. I wanted to meet you. Somehow or the other, I wanted to meet you. But I could not, because every time this woman did nakra and they never showed me your face. Okay. And once I had come to your school also to meet. They didn't allow me to meet you. And every time to get a court order and go to the police station, one big headache. Okay, if you have done it, you will know what I am talking about. But it is not that I didn't do. I didn't try to meet you at all. I tried my level best to meet you, to make you know that okay, I did exist and I did love so much. But I could never do this. But now I am getting a chance to post this video, so I am making this video. Hope you see this video someday. And you will be turning 18 in another, this is May, June, July, August, September. Another 4 months you will be adult. So in 4 months you will be adult. So at least then you will be able to watch this video, and you will be able to know the actual situations, actual truth, which your the great Sharon Algodi, your mother, never told about all this to you. She would have simply told you lie after lie, lie after lie after lie, and lie after lie. And then and I think and I'm sure that you are very smart, and then you could make out that your mother would be lying. Okay, because if all these things, a person can't hide for long. And this is not, you are not, these people are not living in Mars. That you are from one planet, I am living in another planet. Okay, somehow or the other you would have come to know by all this. But exactly what happened, you would not have come to know, because all lies she will tell. She is a master liar. Okay, that is why I am making this video, so that you know the truth.